tell by the look in your eyes if you wanna fight or you wanna stay the night. So baby, tell me what it is that you want. She says she wants a bad boy, it's only good for her. A man that looks tough, plain cut, kinda rough, tattoos popping out his collar shirt, beat up work hands, ain't scared of dirt. A man that roams free but comes home to me. Says she wants a bad boy. Mysterious line, I don't say much and just take my time. I bet you wanna know what I'm thinking right now. I bet you wanna know how it's gonna go down. I won't say a word, I'll just grin, let you tell me what you want again. She says she wants a bad boy, it's only good for her. A man that looks tough, plain cut, kinda rough, tattoos popping out his collar shirt, beat up work hands, ain't scared of dirt. A man that roams free but comes home to me. She says she wants a bad boy. Amount of wrong, love you well and never leave you alone. I'm a good time chaser, I'm an old hill ridge, I'll take a shot and a bear too, baby, just for you. She says she wants a bad boy, it's only good for her. A man that looks tough, plain cut, kinda rough, tattoos popping out his collar shirt, beat up work hands, ain't scared of dirt. A man that roams free but comes home to me. Says she wants a bad boy, it's only good for her. A man that looks tough, plain cut, kinda rough, tattoos popping out his collar shirt, beat up work hands, ain't scared of dirt. A man that roams free but comes home to me. Says she wants a bad boy. Says she wants a bad boy. I'll be a bad boy. Yeah. Nothing but a small frame house on an acre lot. It ain't that much different from any other house on the block. And it may not seem like we've got all our share of the promise, but at least one thing's for sure, I got it honest. Yeah, and I roll out the sack every morning, head on down to the mill, give them all I got for 8, 'cause that's the deal. And if you check out my paycheck, well, you might say there ain't that much on it. Oh, but every single penny I'm paid, I got it honest. And I'm gonna never have to hang my head in shame for putting a price tag on my name. Never turn my back on I believe, or let my heart be ruled by greed. 'Cause buddy, if I didn't earn it, I don't want it. And that way I can always
say I got it honest. Now you ain't looking at some dude that was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. And I might seem like some kind of low life to that highfalutin crowd, but I'm plain spoken, straight talking, and damn proud of what I have accomplished. Hey, and some folks appreciate that, some don't, but I got it honest. Now when I die, may not leave my kids a fortune, but I hope that they'll know that my life stood for the things that were important. And I'll hand down the same sturdy old values of my daddy and my mama. Hey, that made me every ounce of what I am, and I got it honest. Yeah! And I don't ever have to hang my head in shame for putting the price tag on my name. Never turn my back on what I believe, or let my heart be ruled by greed. 'Cause brother, if I didn't earn it, I don't want it. And that way I can always say I got it honest. Friends, there ain't no doubt about it, I got it honest.
Fulfilled. Well then let go, baby, let the wind blow through your hair. You can't walk around in chains and ever get nowhere. Something or someone is telling you it's over and done. Outside the free wind blows, let go. So you stay holed up in your room, knowing that ain't fun. 'Cause it's bitterness and lonely left to hold you in return. Well then let go, baby, let the wind blow through your hair. You can't walk around in chains and ever get nowhere. Something or someone is telling you it's over and done. Outside the free wind blows, let go. Well now, who would think that a boob tube could find such a friend? You always could tune in to how it thinks. Honey, the loving cup you need is a movie's tragic end. Always knocked over and spilled as you're reaching for a drink. Well then let go, baby, let the wind blow through your hair. You can't walk around in chains
bar, the one at the end with all the scars. He got stoned by the meanest broad in Santa Fe. But if he looks a little down and out, it ain't that bronc he's thinking about. It's that girl that broke his heart along the way. When a cowboy falls, he falls hard, and sometimes he falls way too far. And you can bet that when he hits the ground, he'll get back up and play the part. Even with a broken heart, he'll hold the reins and hide the pain inside. Love's always a cowboy's toughest ride.